Welcome in the cheapest gym ever in this world, guys. Right now we are in Kamenge City, Kamenge area. We are going to explore about the gym here in Kamenge. But one of them is the cheapest one, guys. We are going to see the cheapest gym here in this Kamenge area. Are you ready to explore it? If you are ready, be with us. Never miss with this one, guys. It will be amazing, guys. It's your boy Milan Jango 2 Burundi Show. Never miss to subscribe on this YouTube channel for many things, guys. Let's go. This is Kamenge in a new look. They don't show you, but I am. This is how Kamenge transformed right now. Wow, guys, look at this beautiful Kamenge. Guys, Kamenge is already changed now. As you can see, this is Kamenge, guys. This is Kamenge. Kamenge is very changed, guys. Wow, beautiful lots and beautiful houses. But before this, Kamenge wasn't be like this. As you can see, Kamenge, it wasn't like this, but today is having much transformation. Wow, guys, it's amazing. This is beautiful. The Kamenges today is so beautiful, guys. This Kamenge, wow. Right now we're in the cheapest gym ever in the world. Let's explore it and try it if we can work out with the people who always work in this gym, guys. Let's go step by step. Never miss with anything here, guys. This is amazing. This is special thing we couldn't know if exist here in this Kamenge. Wow, the cheapest gym ever in the world. Wow, be with us step by step, guys. With only 500 money of Burundi, you can share with them the happiness, guys. Wow, this is amazing. This is Kamenge. This is Kamenge in the cheapest gym ever in the world. Never miss it, the next, guys. Be with us to every step we were going to make here, guys. So guys, as I told you, we are in the cheapest gym here in Bujumbura, but it's not the cheapest gym here in Bujumbura only. To the world, guys, you see that we can build our body with small money. We don't have much money, but our body is built enough, guys. As you can see us, yes, in the cheapest gym in the world. Cheapest gym in the world, guys. Big shout out to you. In the next video, we are going to make some challenge from this cheapest gym in the world. This is Kamenge. Are you ready for it? If you are ready, like and comment, and be sure you subscribe on this YouTube channel for the next video, guys. Will be amazing, will be joyful time. Are you ready for it? Let's meet in the next video. God be with you.